Remember, brothers, when we talk about the actions of a person, there is called something major kufr, and there is called what? Minor kufr. The major kufr is the kufr that goes out, against the iman from all directions, like prostrating to an idol, or prostrating to a person, or throwing the Quran into the dustbin. All of this is called major kufr. This major kufr, I have to apply the three conditions and take away the three prohibition or abstaining. Three conditions: knowledgeable. Second condition, he is to be intentional. Third condition is to be with his consent. He's got the choice. The opposite of that, he cannot be ignorant. The opposite of that, it cannot be a mistake. The opposite of that, it cannot be as well under compulsion. So if it applies to him, he's a kafir. But the person who does minor kufr, like does not pray, which is minor kufr, as according to Ibn al-Qayyim, rahmatullah alayhi, Madarij al-Salikin, not minor kufr. That is prayer, not fasting. If he does not fast, what makes him as a kafir? Anybody? Abu Musa? Al-istihlal. Al-istihlal means to make it what? Halal not to fast. Making the haram halal. Even if he fasts, but he says Ramadan is not compulsory, he's kafir. And al-istihlal is two types. Istihlal qalbi, istihlal amali. There is istihlal which is in the heart, and istihlal by the actions. Which one are we talking about? The heart. Because all the sinners, they make istihlal with their actions. A person who keeps drinking alcohol, person who keeps not fasting Ramadan, is he a kafir? No. What makes him kafir? If he believes that alcohol is halal, or believes Ramadan is not compulsory. Do you understand that? So if he believes alcohol is halal, well, he knows it's haram, he doesn't have to drink even a drop of alcohol, he's a kafir. Do you understand that? You have to have this printed in your mind. Otherwise, if you don't understand this issue, you're going to be like the Khawarij, who makes people kuffar simply by anything. For them, the hukam is kuffar. The leaders are kuffar. Okay, let me test the students regarding the hukam. The leaders, we have this divided the hukum. Imam al-Qayyim, he said that from the minor kufr, he made two examples. That is to rule by the laws of Allah. Look at that example, bring it. Because all the people think it is what? Major kufr, subhanAllah. And the salah. You bring these two examples to be minor kufr. So the person who does not rule by the laws of Allah, usually is the case, he's doing minor kufr. Usually is the case, not a kafir. But he could be a kafir in some cases. Like the person who does drink alcohol, he's not a kafir usually. But he could be a kafir in some cases, like if he makes khamr halal, he's a kafir. So, let's bring the cases where the ruler is not a kafir. And the ruler when he's a kafir. A ruler, that is a president, a king, a prince who rules. He believes that the laws of Allah is not as good as the land law. He believes. Kafir or Muslim? Does he need to rule by the laws of Allah? No. He doesn't need to rule by the laws of Allah. Just belief of that makes him a kafir. Second one. Person who believes that Allah's laws equal to the land laws. Kafir or Muslim? Does he need to rule by the laws of Allah? He doesn't need to do action. Kafir. Person who believes that the laws of Allah is better, but he's got a choice. He believes he's got a choice. Kafir or Muslim? Kafir. He believes he's got a choice. Kafir, yeah. Got a choice. Even if he doesn't rule by the laws of Allah, he's a kafir. Okay. Person, fourth case. He believes the laws of Allah is better, but this era, this time, they're not suitable. Kafir or Muslim? Kafir. Because it's not really suitable, they are barbaric to go and use these things. Kafir. Now the fifth and the sixth and the seventh, that's where the people go astray. Those are the cases where the rulers, they are not kuffar. Which is a person, he rules, he believes Allah's law is better. But he rules by the laws of Allah because of a mistake. He made ijtihad. Kafir or Muslim? Muslim, yeah. And he could be rewarded. How? He made ijtihad. He's a person who made ijtihad. He made ijtihad, he made a mistake. Rewarded or sin? Rewarded. He is a person who is ignorant. Ruler is ignorant. Ruled by other laws of Allah. He believes Allah's law is better. By a mistake, but he asked the person as a scholar. And that scholar told him, this is correct. And he was wrong. Is he sin or is he rewarded? Rewarded, he asked. But if he is ignorant and he did not ask and he ruled by the laws of other laws of Allah, is he a kafir? No. Is he a sinner? Yes. Sixth case. Believes that the laws of Allah is better. But he ruled by other laws of Allah because of, that is, we call it whims and desire. This is the case. Whims and desire. You know, his whims. Is he a kafir or a Muslim? Muslim, yeah. Even is God. So he's a Muslim. Seventh case. Person who leaves Allah's law is better. But he does rule by other laws of Allah out of fear. Muslim or a kafir? So most of our rulers from the Muslim countries, from Saddam Hussein to the others, the ones who rule by the laws of Allah, which category applies to them? We don't know anything about the which category? Sixth one. Out of what? Whims and desire. It could be the seventh one, out of being fear. I don't know if they're scared or not. But whims and desire makes them sinners, yeah. If you understand these details, you will never be from the Khawarij.